All right, this is how to remove this control module from a Fisher Paykel washer, a dishwasher, without breaking all the plastic. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it up in there, there's a little tab, white tab right there. I had to get kind of a butter knife. Let me see if I can do it one-handed without breaking it. I had to get a butter knife up behind there to push down on that little tab, and then it just kind of rotates forward. And how to get it out from here, I have no idea. It just kind of came out. Looks like there's some sort of protective tape on the top. I don't know what's holding it over there. There's a few more clips over there. Anyway, that's the main clip holding it.